Hey everyone, and welcome to today's workout. We've got 8 exercises for 30 seconds each and a 10-second break in between each one. Let's get ready. First up, we have split squats. Elevate one leg behind you and adjust your front foot as needed. Engage your core and keep your weight even as you bend downward. Try not to let your front knee pass over your toes while squatting. Get ready to do those squats again on the other leg in 3, 2, and 1. Great job with our first move. Next up, we have a squat. Similar to a box squat, lower your weight down to the couch or chair, but don't rest there. Tap gently and rise back up. Our next move is seemingly simple. To get the most benefit, you want to engage your core and focus on using your quad to lift your leg. Five more seconds of rest, and we're going to repeat this on the other side. Now we're moving on from the lower body to arms with inclined push-ups. Roll out your wrist before we start, and if these are too much, modify with regular push-ups. You're halfway there, keep pushing, I know it hurts. Only 3 more seconds, you can do it. And we're done. As you can see, this one had me pretty hurt, so if you need more rest, pause the video and pick back up with tricep dips. So I'm afraid of dogs, and I happened to look out of the window and see a dog walking through my yard, so of course I had to stop and check that out. But yeah, and then I took a break here. Okay. Definitely was still feeling those push-ups. But you got it, guys. Only about 5 more seconds. And I'm counting slow. And 3, 2, 1. We're moving on from the arms to the abs. So starting with crunch kicks, sit close to the edge of your seat and extend your legs out while leaning back slightly. Next up is just a simple move, bringing each knee to the opposite elbow. Make sure to keep that core engaged and really twist to each side. We've made it to the last move. End this workout strong with some side-to-side twist. You can go as fast or slow as you'd like, just be sure to keep the core engaged. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for working out with me today. I hope to see you back here tomorrow for a standing abs workout.